Dear Deputy Prime Minister, dear ministers, dear colleagues, the Danube is much more than a river. It's a valuable natural resource for Europe, connecting the people along its stream. Along the way, it creates opportunities for cooperation and for joint efforts to address common challenges. That's why, together, Austria and Romania launched this initiative. The social and economic development of your country hinges on the links you forge with your Danube neighbors. That is why the role you have with Austria on navigability is so important. The strategy will also help us tackle missing transport connections, reduce pollution, mitigate the danger of flooding and address the need to create the right climate for businesses, for example in the area of tourism where Romania has a leading role with Bulgaria. The benefits from implementation of the Danube strategy for almost 2 years now are very evident. There are many new projects underway, and long-term projects like the navigability project on the Romania-Bulgaria common sector are advancing with greater momentum. As we are now entering the critical period of the preparation of the new programs, it is essential that the macro-regional strategies are mainstreamed into the planning for the next period. The Danube strategy started mid-period, and this has led to some difficulties in alignment of funds. The new period is an opportunity to design programs that really reflect the objectives we have set ourselves, also in line with Europe 2020. For this reason, the meeting that the Romanian authorities will host in April on linking the Danube strategy to the programming exercise is crucial, and we are grateful to you for working with us on this. The Commission is looking forward as well to working with you on the second annual Forum for the Danube strategy in October. I hope that this event can become the main event of each year to provide strategic directions to the strategy. With these few words, I would like to wish you a very fruitful meeting.